Hey guys, it's John LeGrand. I have here a new Kong project I finished. This is a sculpt by Tony Cipriano, 3D printed. It came in two sizes, and I got the larger size. It's 11 inches tall. It has a base that is like the Empire State Building, and it is a really nice sculpt of a long-faced Kong from the 1933 movie. I painted it in fairly dark shades of kind of black, grayish tones in the face, and sort of rabbit fur brown for the fur. And as I often like to do, I like to have him looking down. I think he looks more menacing. Sometimes he looks a little scared or something, I guess, but yeah, I just chose to have him kind of looking down because he's a big guy and he looks down at most people. It's a really nice sculpt that Tony did, and I want to recommend this kit. It's a really nice kit. It was, like I said, 3D printed, and it was hollow. So what I did, and this was Tony's recommendation, was it came with plugs. There's two pieces here. There's the top piece here, and the Empire State Building base, and actually the head was separate as well. And so what I did was I filled the backside with and this with sand, and then I put the plugs that were included in the kit in after I filled it up, and sealed the sand in. So now it's got some weight to it, and worked really well. I went ahead and primed it and painted it with acrylics, and then did some oils to finish up. Well washes and then dry brushing, as I often do. Put a little gloss on the eyes and mouth, and there you have it. All finished up. So very cool, nice size kit of Kong. Glad to have it in my extensive King Kong collection. Well, thanks for watching the video, and until next time, bye.